Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are starting off your weekend with me. Now for you my first time viewers that are joining me for the very first time, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. Now today I am making something that I have not had in ages. I am making stew peas. You use the red peas and you cooked it down. I love stew peas. I just haven't had a chance to make this in ages. I cannot tell you when was the last time I've had this. Years ago. But I decided to make it today. I'm in the mood for some stew peas. It's vegan style, no meat, vegetarian style. But you can use meat in it if you want to. So this is the red peas, and I soak my red peas overnight so that way it's a lot easier to cook because these are very hard set of peas. So let me begin by showing you everything, all my ingredients that I will be using today. So these are all my ingredients for today. Parsley, these are thyme, we always use thyme when we're cooking, and sage, garlic, this is 3 heads of garlic, and this is my basil. It's my basil here. I grow this basil myself and I pick them naturally, and I do like that. This is my basil, my carrots, my onions, my ginger. I have to put some ginger in this, and I'm using my coconut powder because the store did not have coconut milk. When you're cooking red peas like this, you want to use coconut milk in it to bring the flavor out. However, I didn't get the milk, so I just buy this. This is the coconut powder. Scallions, of course, my red peas. This is the star of the show today. My red peas is the star of the show. As I mentioned to you before, red peas, there's so much about red peas. It also controls your appetite. And that's if you want red peas, all beans are high in protein. And for people who are vegetarians, vegetarians love beans like this because you know why? It's high in protein. This is where you get your protein from. It also prevents your liver from have fat to your liver, fatty liver, which we cannot have that. There's only one liver we have. So red beans or red peas, whatever you want to call it, have vital nutrition to it. Antioxidant. It's also prevent the risk of cancer. I was talking to someone recently, and the person is a meat lover, and he said to me that if I don't eat meat, where would I get my protein from? And I said, you have no idea all the nourishment that vegetables and beans have. That's where your protein is. I'm not knocking you and said do not eat meat, but these high in protein and all nourishment in it and vitamins. This is the best thing. I love this. I'm gonna make this today. I soak my beans overnight so I can cook them, and I'm just gonna add some little rice to it, a little bit of rice, as a side, to it. But this is the main ingredients. taste our masterpiece. The peas are soft. All the seasoning just blend together. It's like a perfect marriage. The coconut, as you say, use the coconut powder with the peas water and blend them together. Again, a perfect marriage. This is so delicious, and the spice and everything nice. Yes, I just love this. If you're a meat lover and you have this, honestly, you will not miss your meat. And if you're vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, you're gonna still enjoy this. You're not missing out on anything. All your vitamins, all this is high in protein. Everything is inside this dish right now. So, and we're all about health, right? That's what we're about. We're about health. Making everyone healthy one day at a time. Oh, I should say making everyone healthy one meal at a time. So, remember to check my description box for this amazing recipe and all the health benefits that peas have, and beans, whichever you call them. And I love you guys, and if you're not my subscribers yet, remember to just hit the subscribe button because it will make me really happy. And share my videos, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.